Hi, this is Jeff with Construction Fastening Systems. I want to show you how to use the Simpson hollow wall drop-in anchors. These are designed for cinder block or hollow block materials. It'll allow you to put a bolt in or all thread or whatever you want to use there. Available in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch diameters. They're fairly simple to use. For instance, on your 3/8 size, you're going to drill a 5/8 hole. Your 1/2 inch size, you're going to drill a 3/4 inch hole. And what you're going to do is drill the hole, tap it in, and tighten it up. So you can do that a couple different ways. You can use either the set tool, which is sold separately, or you could just use the bolt and washer that you're going to use. So you can picture when you install this, you can note this little cone, this tapered cone. So let's say we screw this up, and we're not going to tighten it before we put it in the wall. We'll take this, we'll tap it in, and then we'll tighten this nut and bolt, and that's going to pull that cone into that other cone and tighten it up. And at that point, you can release it. And what's nice about that is now you have female threads in your block wall. So it's just another option for fastening the hollow block material. We have them online and in stock at constructionfastening.net.